Girl, you're working with some ass and the bad jam.
Pedro's gonna make another quick little video, dogs. I always forget to record, dog, when I'm working on my trucks or doing whatever I'm doing. Need to start posting more content, homies. But my fuel pump went out. Let me turn on the light. My fuel pump went out. I have this all desmadrado and shit right now. So I have it all connected, but I have my winch. I have some boards under here. I covered up the tank. Make sure y'all have y'all's tools. I had to go buy some. Couldn't find my tools no more. But to take off the bed, these big ass tornillos right here, and they're 18. That's what mine were. So I have 6 of them. 2 right here in the back, and then 2 more right next to it, close by. Let's see if we can see it under here. All right, y'all see right over there. There's 1 on each side, 2. Then there's these ones. That's 4. And then you got these ones right here on the lip right here. So that's 6. Pero here it is. Let me see if I can turn on the light on this perro so y'all can see. Oh, there we go. Pinche tanque right there. Right there, that's what y'all need them tools for right here, is this one mainly. This one I broke it, dog, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to find a way to get that one to stay. I mean, it slides in, but it's supposed to have little tabs that locks in. I mean, it was already broke, so I just finished breaking it off, I guess. And then this one right here, just push these in right here. Well, it's easier, I guess, whenever it has the este, pero you have these two little high tire right here. Grab these 2 ears, push it in together, and then push out until that little tab comes out on top, and then just slide this out. Así de fácil, perros. Now, guess my fuel pump went out, dogs. Shit was hard, pain in the ass to take out. I don't know why, but it was like it's getting stuck on the lip right here. But we finally got it. But look, mine's busted right here, homies. I don't know what the hell happened right there, perros. This one still seems good, but I guess it just gave out, dog. I don't have a tester right now. I have to go buy a tester to see what's up with this, but just gave out on me the other night. Floored it. When I floored it, boom, it just stopped. The RPMs just stopped, dog, completely. It floated for a little while. It stayed on. I was fucking pressing on the gas. No RPMs, no nada. Finally died about like 30 seconds later. Just turned off on me. Had to push it home, dog. But I connected, when I had the fuel pump in there, I disconnected the fuel lines, connected the connectors, the electrical connectors, and I went to go turn the key over, and nothing shot out. All you can't hear turn on, nothing. So I'm guessing it's that, because I already changed the, let's see if it's open over here. It is. I already changed the relay over here in the front. Let's see. Nomás todo desmadre. I gotta fix all this shit. I don't like it. All this wiring work, I don't like none of this, dog. But anyways, dog, right here, this is the fuel pump. I've already changed them all out. I think all these are the same. Damn, perros. But all these right here should be the same. I've already switched them out. I switched this one to this one, this one to this one, that one to that one, and nada. They just same thing, perros. So put that back together. But I already checked everything over here in the front. I was scared, dog. Didn't know what the hell was going on, but everything's good. I checked my oil, checked my transmission, checked my fluids, dog. Everything's good. But I think it's my fuel pump. I mean, so I already ordered that. QA1 is where I go, dog. That's where I ordered it again. QA1 or 1A Auto usually, either one of those. And yeah, that's it for now, big dog. Shit. Things are pretty clean in there, except for right there. I think it was ahorita whenever I was trying to get this pump out. I was struggling with it. A little bit of dirt fed in there. So I have to try to clean that out or see what we can do. But yeah, this is it, perros, right here. It's pretty simple. Where's the lock at? Oh, there it is. Look. Just this lock right here. Goes right there on top. Just get a screwdriver. That's what I did. Screwdriver and a hammer, dog. Put it right here on the ear. This lip. Boom, boom. Give it some putazos right there, dog, and you're good to go, homie. It's really not that hard of a job. Now we're just waiting on the new one. Gonna throw it in there, dog, and time to hit the streets, big dog. Time to hit the streets, homie.